What beat my understanding en ayeni districts mainen luku dien yelo to twari machala Gago district, machala Lamuo, machala Kitgum. Pingo balalo pegi kero dien giye. Achuli penwi pingo balalo pegi tero dien gi districts maluku dien yelo ni. Chire ya Gago district watiki luku dien makiluongi ni Alok. That is a nickname makimiyo bodgi from Agago district. Luku dien makiluongi ni Kormo Jong giti ya Agago. Penywi ni pengo pe ini neno balalo ni katero dien gi kuno. Chiet Lamuo, chire Kitgum. Luku dien ma ake South Sudan tie. Magibino kwanyo dien ki Lamuo kenyo gi ngwejo gi tere Sudan. Penywi ni pingo balalo pe tero dien gi kuno. Meaning there is someone very big. There are people who are very big people. Magi ngeo statistic ket mamiere gi ket dieni gini kede. I'm very surprised. I'm very bitter. Kai penyo wiyo mabe. Nyuroni there are some people in Acholi land. Gena yegi miu clear information pod balalo. Kany pokel dien ye, kany ute, kany peko tikuman, and these people are big people. And these people are matured people in politics. These people are Jom again, binu in form of Lutela. When we actually John agingeo background, milo actually nini. Kapila tela nini. Kede nino mo. Ini winyu unyo inero balalo mo ka bino ka timo survey ni wan wa mero kelu dien wa ilo bachuli kong mero kong wa niang kanye ni bedi ni kon ngongo survey mo bedo peke miniang. Lutela wani gen wummeo gikupe wa kimalo kacha. Kono nero mo chance kwan chim pada tera. Then checking WhatsApp messages. Checking Instagram, checking any kind of media again makelu information, you get all the thing. Gingeo details mi gangwa ni if not through our Lutela. So actually, pero wa ye actually, well kitung bora gera tamoni, one machala actually, kono no we put the land into use. No kono no peka mawati akar ki ye ni peka. Wera penyo wiani, there is something in common. Kin balalu ki Kormo Jong. Kormo Jong ki balalu. Ti nen chalo niang mo ti kin gi kenyu. Niang mo ni nen chalo tie. Pian. Wun poroma ke walk then you know actually land better than us. I met a Munyankole in Agago district yesterday. Munyankole ni wajani gem ki wachi gimera ni uchire aria makuman urata ki LC1 obi teru bubot nye money tok teru bu malo kit majone no ke wara gaenu. Donye village, no LC1 no ruot kwerio, guchamo percent gio. Giwote wot mot. En ma wundo poni John Konongongani, no, they are very strong in form of document. Wero sometime atawni Lutela wani yenen chalo genti akwae diaini mukene balalo kuba diaini mukene pa Lutela wani inen ngero man ana tiki kupe ana tiki lobbying come with a lot of things ena etama ana foyo peko wa ya chuli kawa mero chopone let's go back to our land put the land into use foyo